Tell me you are Chinese without telling me you are Chinese.
It's a cow. In your father's country, we worship them. In your mother's country, you eat them.
Ooh, I can see them behind the tree.
तो हमेशा की तरह आज भी माँ की ममता जीत गई. Look at your dad. Look at your dad over there.
She started eating meat at such a young age.
Where she can see the whole world. These are nuts.
Oak nuts, yeah.
निकाल दी जुराब निकाल दी.
What comes before June? मैं आप लोग इन्हें देख सकते हो, लेकिन इनके ज्यादा करीब नहीं जा सकते. इसके नाना वीडियो बनाते बनाते फिर से लापता हो चुके हैं.
Is that reveal? Good.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to our another vlog. Look at her. This cutie has just woken up. And this one as well. Good morning babe. How can I forget about you? You were the first cutie in this house. Then came this.
Which number? You are.
Am I a
Yourself.
cutie?
Yes.
I'm hot. Baby. भाई आज का दिन थोड़ा आरामदायक होगा. 3 दिन से ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ, बैक टू बैक काम कर रहा हूँ, बट टुडे आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. इट्स गोना बी बिट रिलैक्सिंग. व्हाट अबाउट यू? आर यू आल्सो वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's good. What about you? Are you playing from home? Hello, baby. Huh? She just woke up from her morning nap. Look at her. So cute. So cute. Do you want to go somewhere today? Huh?
Let's take her to One Tree Hill
Now?
after her afternoon nap.
Okay. Okay then. We'll take you out to One Tree Hill. Alright? You can enjoy in the park.
There's animals here, sheep and cow.
Okay. Do you want to ride a cow or a sheep?
Right.
I'm not kidding. I'll make you sit on them.
Right.
A cute baby. You
Mine,
love
mine.
to play with your mother,
Mine.
don't you?
She's mine.
She's yours? Uh-huh.
She's hungry.
She's hungry? No. She's just playing. Keep playing with her.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ding 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 ding.
Baby.
Ding 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 ding.
हाँ.
Ding 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 ding.
कितना खुश है भाई?
Ding 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 ding.
मेरा बच्चा मस्त रहता है खेल खेल के, है ना? बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं करता अपने पापा को. क्या करता है? पूरे दिन में सोता है, खाता है, पॉटी करता है, फिर सो जाता है. मस्त लाइफ साइकिल है. ओ निकाल दी जुराब निकाल दी. क्यों नहीं पसंद? ओके रिमूव इट. शी डजंट लाइक इट.
Let her remove it herself.
रिमूव इट.
We're free your food. We're free.
Hey, look at her. How happy she is. Baby. I love you.
So it's a millet
Okay.
and then some meat
Oh, that's
and
good.
apple.
Good. Strong baby. Eating meat from such an early age. That's so good.
I was eating meat at this age.
Yes, I mean for you guys it's very usual, but for an Indian, especially born in a Hindu family like me, it's not very usual.
Okay.
She is going to be a very strong girl.
Yes, she is strong.
Yeah. She started eating meat at such a young age. Wow. Ha ha.
eat.
And we are ready to go out. Take her to a park. Are you excited, baby? Huh? Yeah. Let's go, let's go. आ चुके हैं भाई बच्ची को पार्क में लेके, और अब इसको शीप के पास लेके जाएंगे। उस तरफ में शीप्स है। ये देखो कितनी यहाँ बढ़िया पार्क है। ये आपने पहले भी देखा होगा। यहाँ पे मम्मी पापा को भी लेके आया था मैं जब वो यहाँ आए थे। हमारे घर के पास में ही है। लेट्स गो।
He's smiling and drooling.
ये है भाई बेस्ट चीज़ एक जो मुझे लगती है यहाँ पे। किसी भी पार्क में जाओ ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं कहाँ ही खूबसूरत सी जगह पे आ गए हैं, क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा सफाई मिलेगी, इतना भीड़ भड़का, शांति।
This is Shango. This is an oak tree and it has some oak fruit on it, oak nuts.
Beautiful, beautiful trees. Look at that one as well. These are all very old and big trees. And now we are heading towards the sheeps.
Yes. Just walk a little bit more slowly here. We have some old people coming with us.
Okay. I thought they need their own privacy. That's why they were lagging behind.
What privacy?
I don't know.
See, those oaks. You can make them into, those are nuts,
These are nuts.
oak nuts, yeah. You can make them into some kind of curd or tofu. And
Wow,
they'll be very
look at
edible. But they'll be very bitter.
See, So many.
又是拿来做祥子豆腐。
it's over here as well. So
Yes.
many.
又是拿来做。What are we seeing here?
There are some sheep.
Animal. I think it'll be her first time to see this kind of animal.
Let's see how she reacts.
Yes. Here we are, sheep.
Oh, did Daddy scare them? What is she doing?
Looking.
Ow, ow. The cow is over there. Such a peaceful place.
Yes, it is.
Imagine you're just sitting at your house. It's 5-10 minutes away. You just come here, relax over here. You can even have a picnic. Bring your mat, bring some food, chair, whatever you want to bring, and you just can simply relax here with your family. कौन है बेटा ये? ये कौन है? कौन है? Let's see if we can get her closer.
They're a lot of poop.
What comes before June? Meh. Well, we forgot the belt today, so we're just trying to carry her the old way, the best way,
The cold way?
the old way,
Oh, okay.
where she can see the whole world from up top. Better than that belt, right?
Yes.
She must be happy.
Yes, she's exploring
Just
your
make sure
head.
that no branch is down enough to hit her head.
She's exploring your head. Where is your hat?
In my pocket.
Oh.
See, these are the planks where you can just stand on them and go on the other side, which is obviously not for the civilians. There is a reason why these wires have been put, because obviously the council doesn't want people to disturb their peace. तो वो सब लोग बस अपना यहाँ पे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. आप लोग इन्हें देख सकते हो, लेकिन इनके ज़्यादा करीब नहीं जा सकते. वो सी, there is one sheep closer. Your father is shooting.
你不走啊？你不走啊？不晓得耶。啊？
You can zoom by this 3, 4. You can click on those numbers. She's trying to take the video. See? Okay, time to relax.
Dirty.
Okay, grass. Put it on
This
the
grass not very nice. There's some nice grass over there.
Then let's go to the nice grass. I want her to enjoy the grass. I want her to enjoy the grass. Let's go. Look at your dad. Look at your dad over there. How close he is. Oh man, he's happy.
Back to us.
Okay, let's take her to the grass.
I'll talk.
तो हमेशा की तरह आज भी माँ की ममता जीत गई और इसको घास में नहीं बिठाया जाएगा, क्योंकि इसकी माँ को डर है कि कुछ चुभ जाएगा, इसे कोई इंसेक्ट काट लेगा. तो अब ये पापा के सर पे चढ़ के ही पूरे इस पार्क की सैर करेगी. नथिंग. यहाँ पे एक और झुंड है भाई शीप्स का. अब इसको ये दिखाने ले आए. Look at her hat.
Oh yeah. Why don't you say anything?
She can't be, but I can be on the grass, right?
Yes.
But baby, get away. Let us see the sheep. Yeah, that's the view. Wow, what a life. Right, baby girl?
Just looking at the fence.
What do you like to eat the most? The sheep or the cow?
Indians I like to eat most.
Tell me you are Chinese without telling me you are Chinese. The way she is sitting, that's how Chinese people sit. In a squatting position.
Can you? That's
Yes.
your sitting position when you were younger.
Yes, why not? You also used to shit like this, weren't you?
Yeah. Why we have to talk about this on camera?
Just the position that you sat with, it just reminded me of China. Because most of the people, even on the roadside or anywhere, they just comfortably sit like this, scroll their phone or anything. Where are your parents? Oh, I can see them behind the tree. Yes, your grandpa and your grandma, the maternal one, are over there. What are they doing?
KISS.
How old are you?
Let's click a picture, baby. Let's click a picture. No, stay how you were. Normal. That was, I already got it, I guess. I got it from there. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Don't. This will be too rough for her skin.
This is not rough.
No.
Just let her enjoy.
No. Hey,
Let her enjoy. Such a fun killer you are.
小宝贝。Cute.
Is she happy?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Her first tree sitting,
Yes.
right? This is the
Yes.
first time she's sitting in a tree.
That's right.
And baby, when you will be growing up, you will realize that how common it is in this country that kids go up and, sit on those tree branches. This is the first step she took in climbing the tree with her daddy's help.
Okay, let's go.
So proud.
Let's go.
Where?
Up.
Let her enjoy.
Cow fight.
She looking at the cows?
Yes. She looks worried.
That's fine. See, cow is so close to her.
Yes.
Oh, see. Here. Cow. Ow. This one. Ow. Here. Take her feet. Ow. In your father's country, we worship them. In your mother's country, they eat them.
Thank you.
She gave it up. I was about to put her on her shoulder and then she yelled.
他说他本来准备突然把它放到你肩膀上吓你一跳。Hey, hold her properly. Yeah. Okay, take her.
She yelled because she saw her, right?
Yeah. She's saying there are ants biting her ass.
That's not ant. It's just the grass has those itchy things.
他说有可能是草。
It's not the ant.
蚂蚁，有蚂蚁。来，老爸，来。
She'll be tired. I can walk her. I can take her.
他说他包。
Let's go.
Okay.
Such a peaceful and calmful moment. All those trees, they're looking so beautiful. Let me show you what I am watching. This is my POV. And with this sound and calmness.
This is your view? Good. Now I lost my mom.
तो भाई हमेशा की तरह इसके नाना वीडियो बनाते बनाते फिर से लापता हो चुके हैं और अब इसकी मम्मी, इसकी नानी इसके नाना को ढूंढ रही है।
ये देखो वो दोनों के दोनों, और इसके पापा का कोई अता पता नहीं है कहाँ पे है। वो फ़ोन भी कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं फ़ोन या तो साइलेंट पे लगा रखा है, कहाँ बंदा मस्त बिजी है अपनी वीडियो बनाने में। बिल्कुल भाई बच्चे की तरह है, कहीं पे भी बाहर ले जाएंगे ना कुछ तो कांड नहीं करना है इसके नाना को, या तो भाई, और हर चीज़ वीडियो से रिलेटेड होती है। मतलब इतना ज़्यादा पैशनेट इंसान है ना, मतलब मैंने नहीं देखा भाई वीडियोग्राफी के लिए इतना ज़्यादा पैशनेट इंसान कोई भी, और वो भी इस उम्र में आके, और इसीलिए अपनी सीनियर यूनिवर्सिटी से एडिटिंग की अपनी क्लासेस भी ले रहे हैं। तो भाई देखो कितना और टाइम लगेगा उन्हें यहाँ पे वापस आने में, उनको ये भी नहीं पता हम वहाँ से जा चुके हैं कहीं और हैं। तो देखते हैं भाई। तो भाई जब तक इसके नाना बिजी हैं और लापता हैं अपना वीडियोग्राफी और फोटोग्राफी में, तो क्यों ना हम भी थोड़ी फोटोग्राफी कर लें, वीडियोग्राफी कर लें। ये देखो ये इसको देखो, ये देखो What were you doing? Huh?
I was trying to play with her.
You're trying to play with her? Come here. I'll play with you. Come here.
What?
Yeah. So finally इसके नाना मिल चुके हैं भाई, और अब हम जा रहे हैं घर की तरफ। इसकी नानी को टेंशन हो रही है कि मैंने एक हाथ से पकड़ी हुई बच्ची सेफ। See? Told you. Told you. They're always worried. Always worried. Oh, let's go home. Let's go home. See? There's your Waigong. वो देखो आ रहे हैं पीछे पीछे वहाँ पे। मस्त जिंदगी चल रही है इसकी, घूम फिर के आई पार्क से, आते ही मस्त अपना 1-1.5 घंटा सोगी, अब उठ गई, हो चुकी है शाम में वैसे भी, तो अगले और 1-1.5 घंटे में ये बढ़िया अपना पूरी रात के लिए सोने चली जाएगी। मतलब पूरी रात तो क्या ही सोती है, सोती तो ये अपना 2.5-3 घंटे है। उसके बाद इसकी मम्मी चाहे ये सो रही हो चाहे नहीं सो रही हो कोई मतलब नहीं, इसकी मम्मी 3.5 घंटे बाद इसको कायदे से दूध पिलाएगी, चाहे इसकी आंख बंद हो तब भी दूध लगा देगी। ये देखो भाई इस क्यूटनेस को, कितना क्यूट बच्चा है हैं? सोने से पहले अच्छे कपड़े पहन लेता है। I'm saying that this is the girl who dresses up well before sleeping. Imagine.
每次睡觉之前都打扮得漂漂亮亮。
Other babies wear good dresses because they are going to go out, but she wears good dresses because it's her night time. She's going to sleep.
我们就是要漂漂亮亮的哈，对哈，就是要漂漂亮亮的哈。
Alright guys, then this is us for tonight and today. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye baby.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.